Hello everybody, we are in Italy for the 6th round of the EnduroGP season. I think it's gonna be a rainy weekend. It will be different than in Portugal for the last round with many dust all the weekend, so yeah, it will be different but also fun I think, so let's go.
Preparing the bike for the technical things, because in 2 hours we need to go there for check the bike.
It's always, you need to be a bit patient, have a technical control, but it's part of the game. And yeah, after this we put the bike back to the truck and then prepare for the super test.
It's been raining, no?
Yeah, it's been raining, but now it stopped, so I think it should be fine for tonight.
Ha subito l'infortunio. Samuele Bernardini contro Morgan Lesiardo. 5 minuti per l'ultimo duello.
Attenzione, arriva Antoine Magain, secondo nella classe italiana.
Mentre si sta preparando Andrea Verona.
Yeah, just finished up the soup test. 7 o'clock now. Was good, I think 5 or 6 in the scratch. And I think first in the class, so pretty good. Bring on tomorrow. Looks like we've probably got a bit of rain tonight, and it's going to be a wet, long day tomorrow.
Nel frattempo arriva anche ma devo dire che la chiamiamo
Ciao man, how are you? All good, dai.
How's the team?
Team not so bad, your brother make a big crash, now you have to recover a little bit, but it's okay, it's okay.
Like very quickly, how was it out there?
Yeah, not my best day today in Italy, so slippery the test and I didn't feel good in this test, but it's like this tomorrow, it's a new day, so we will see.
Fabrizio Zalina.
Yeah, we are ready for day 2. The weather is better today. I hope a good day for me, but also for the team. Yesterday was very good for me, and okay, let's go.
questa, ricordiamolo che ieri sera era stato il super test.
Okay, today is a very good day because we have 5 Sherco in the first 10 of the scratch, so it's really good, it's really good. So we proved that the team did a great job, rider did a great job, mechanics are great as usual, so we are very happy, and now last effort in Sydow in Germany.
Hey guys, unbelievable day for me. I'm still a bit speechless. Second overall, or second in my class, third overall. Yeah, unbelievable. I won the last test, had to give it out because it was really close with Max and Alien, but yeah, got the job done, and really thanks to the whole team. They always supported me, and yeah, without them it wouldn't have been possible, so I'm really thankful.
Hello guys, yes, it was a perfect week for me with 2 wins in class and 2 P5 overall. I am very happy with my weekend. The week in Italy was difficult, but yes, very good week. I would like thanks all the team, and see you in Germany for the last race.
A bit of damage control for me, to be honest. Big crash in the first lap yesterday.
and hurt both my wrists, so really struggled to hang on yesterday in the slippery conditions. I just couldn't find the strength to pull the bike, but managed some still good times. Second yesterday and second today, so yeah, bring on the final round in Germany.
Yeah, the first day was good. I ride in my level. I finished 6 in the scratch and 3 in E-class. Yeah, today is more difficult and I try something, but in enduro I didn't make the gap for me, and yeah, I push all the day and I finish 8 scratch and 4 in the class.
Yeah, today was a good day for me. Yesterday was hard. I do only a P5 in E3 class, but today I managed to take the third place and the podium in E3. So that was the goal, and it's done. So really good for this Italian GP. Thank you.